Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change my Chrome language to English. When you open your Chrome browser, you can see that it is in other language, in this case Spanish. In the menu, click on Configuración. After this, you will go to the section Idiomas. You can see the current languages. Click on Añadir idiomas to be able to search for the language you need, in this case English. When you select it, click on Añadir. After that, on the new language, click on the menu and select the option Mostrar Google Chrome en este idioma. Click on Reiniciar, and when the browser is loaded again, you will see that it is no longer in other language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.